Sit very comfortably. Keep your back straight as much as you can. Gently close your eyes. Gently bring your attention to your body. Now take a few long breaths and relax your whole body. Relax your muscles, your head, neck, shoulders, your chest, your left arm, right arm, also your belly, up of the left leg, low of the left leg, up of the right leg, low of the right leg. Relax your body, relax your mind, relax, relax, relax. Now let's practice Metta Bhavana, loving kindness meditation. Say to yourself, bless to yourself, wish to yourself. May I be well, may I be happy, may I be peaceful. May I be well, may I be happy, may I be peaceful. When you repeat these three words again and again, understand meaning of each word deeply and then bless to them, bless to you. And also, if you are not happy, you can question to yourself, why I'm not happy? Why am I not peaceful? You can question to yourself. Then you can see your inner peace, inner happiness. If somewhere is wrong, you can fix that point. Just keep as question to yourself again and again until you find your own peace. And repeat these three words to yourself. May I be well. May I be happy. May I be peaceful. Now just make a little smile in your face and bless yourself. May I be well. May I be happy. May I be peaceful. Then you can feel that happiness, peacefulness. Keep doing it. Now imagine your family, your friends, parents, husband or wife, children, brothers or sisters, your girlfriend, boyfriend or best friend, your neighbors, co-workers, who are very close to you, who are so far from to you. Think of your all family members and bless to them. May my family be well, be happy, be peaceful. May they be well, may they be happy, may they be peaceful. And also you can focus your difficult people in your life. Understand how important practice this loving kindness meditation. It doesn't have any barrier. It makes through love to you, your side, and also others. Imagine your difficult people in your life. No need to carry on your angry thoughts or trouble, memories. to next year, to the nature, future. Just let them go. May my difficult people be well, be happy, be peaceful. May they be well, may they be happy, may they be peaceful. Let's send this spiritual, powerful blessing towards to all living beings. In this case, don't separate the people, black or white, Hindu, Muslim, Christian or Buddhist. Just think we all are human. We all are living in very large family. Bless to them. May all living beings, human, non-human, also this environment, be well, be happy, be peaceful. May they be well, may they be happy, may they be peaceful. This is the time to add more love to this world. A lot of people are suffering this coronavirus. They need some love, they need some blessings. With a loving mind, loving heart, you can send this spiritual blessing to them. May all living beings who suffer from this coronavirus, all the people, may they free from coronavirus. May they free from suffering of coronavirus. May they free from danger of coronavirus. May they free from fear of coronavirus. May they be well. May they be happy. May they be peaceful. all have very peaceful mind, calm mind, unshaken mind. Now we are going to see our bottom of our mind. Let's practice inside meditation. Take a few long breaths and understand your breathing process. Mindfully observe each breath. Breathe in mindfully. Breathe out mindfully. Breathe in mindfully. Breathe out mindfully. Just breathe and understand your breathing process and appreciate your breath. Your breath like your best friend. Breathe in, breathe out. So many thoughts, sensation come to your mind. Let them come and go. You are like a sky. You know about the sky. There are so many clouds in the sky. Clouds come and go. Focus your breath. Breathe in, breathe out. Where is your mind? Bring your thoughts to the present moment. Breathe in mindfully. Breathe out mindfully. Breathe in mindfully. Breathe out mindfully. Now just spend a little moment you are breathing and understand what is meaning of breathing. It is kind of arising, coming. Now understand the meaning of breathe out. It is kind of disappearing, going. It means you have to understand two things in this practice: arising and disappearing, coming or going. Now think everything in this world arising and one day disappearing. Thoughts are arising and also those are disappearing. Sensation, good feeling, bad feeling, all the things are arising and also disappearing. This is the nature of our life. You have to understand very deeply in this point. If you clearly, deeply understand this point, you can make your own happiness, inner peace. Anger is arising and also disappearing. No need to keep attached to anger or your good feelings. Good or bad, everything is arising and disappearing. Just look at and understand that all the things very mindfully and let them go. That is important. Now your mind and body are relaxed, peaceful and calm. Think how important it is to practice this meditation. It is bring your own happiness, peace, balance. Please bring your hands together in front of your heart. May peace be with you. May all living beings be well, happy and peaceful. Thank you very much. Open your eyes. Thank you. So, good evening everybody. I hope you all are doing well. So thank you so much for joining with us today in the evening. I think you enjoy meditation today. So I would like to give some little message today. Many of us have so many expectations from meditation. Some people say, I need to get some peace, happiness. That's why I'm practicing meditation. And that is wonderful. And sometimes some people practice meditation because of they need to get some supernatural power. I don't know what is the meaning of supernatural power, but that word is so popular in this country and everywhere. We can see so many people, do meditation because of they need some power. And when we talk about supernatural power, we can see supernatural power like walk on the water and go somewhere under the floor or fly like an airplane, we can think like that meaning of supernatural power. But as a good meditationer, wise meditationer, we have to think very deeply about what is meaning of supernatural power. It is so important because of if we really like to get our happiness, we need to understand that point, because otherwise we are getting exhausted our practice. So I can remember one of his story. One day a man, he was thinking, I need some supernatural power. Then he found a monk. Then one day he visited to this monk and said, Bhante, monk, I need some supernatural power. Please teach me to achieve that supernatural power. Then this monk said, okay, I can teach you. It is so simple. And then monk said, okay, please follow me. Then they went to a river, nearby river, and then they sit on the rock. And then one day that monk said to him, okay, I'm going to teach you 3 mantras. Every day, early in the morning, you have to go to a river and chant out loud these mantras. And also, don't think about monkey. He said like that. And now, this monk is teaching to him about these 3 mantras. The 3 mantras are Buddhang Saranang Gacchami, Dhammang Saranang Gacchami, Sanghang Saranang Gacchami. Now he was so happy and he was thinking, oh, I can get supernatural power very soon because of I know now 3 mantras. Then he went to his home, and every day he woke up early in the morning, he went to a river, sit on the rock, and he chanted out loud. And same time, he said to himself, oh, don't think about monkey. Buddhan Saranang Gacchami. Then he said again, don't think about monkey. Because he can still remember what that teacher said. While you are chanting, don't think about monkey. That's the thing teacher told to him. Still he is keeping that things in his mind. When he is chanting, he is thinking, don't think about monkey. And when he think like that every day, he couldn't practice meditation very well. He couldn't achieve any supernatural powers. Now think, we do same thing. This monkey means, I think, distracting thoughts. Sometimes when we practice meditation, some monkeys, distracting thoughts come to our mind, and then we are thinking about monkey, not our own practice, meditation. And if you need supernatural power, you have to understand your monkey. Monkey means your distracting thoughts. It is so important for your practice. And please keep this little story. It is so helpful to your practice. When you practice, don't think about monkey. Keep doing your practice. One day you can, make your own balance, own peace. You can find your own happiness within. Okay, now monks are going to chant. Today we are going to do Ratana Sutta. I think you know now what is the Ratana Sutta is. It is so powerful sutta, and also this chanting has a rhythm. We are using this rhythm like, when you go to the ocean, you can hear that ocean waves come, and then that's the sound we exactly use this chanting. That is a rhythm of chanting. And also it has good meaning, powerful meaning, and also it has very beautiful words. And if you have good mind, if you think I can get this blessing, if you have that kind of mind, you can receive this power of blessing. Now monks are going to chant, all of you. May all power of blessing with you. May you be well, happy and peaceful. May not harm come to you. May not dangers come to you. May not difficulties come to you. May you be strong and healthy, mentally and physically. And close your eyes, just listen this chanting. Thank you very much. Namo tassa bhagavato arahato samma sambuddhassa. Namo tassa bhagavato arahato samma sambuddhassa. Namo tassa bhagavato arahato samma sambuddhassa. Itipiso Bhagavārahං sammā sambuddho viñjācarana sampanno sugato loka anuntaro purisa dhamma sārati santā deva manussānaṁ buddho bhagavāti swākāto bhagavata dhammo sandintiko akāliko ehi passiko panayiko pañcantaṁ veditam vo viñño iti supatipanno bhagavato sāvaka Ujjupatipanno bhagavato sāvaka saṅgho ñāyapatipanno bhagavato sāvaka saṅgho sāmīcipatipanno bhagavato sāvaka saṅgho yadidam Cattari purisa yugani anta purisa Esa bhagavato sāvaka saṅgho āhuneyo pāhuneyo dankineyo anjali anuntaraṁ puññaṁ kentaṁ lokaṁ sāti etena sacca vajjena dukkha upasamintu te etena sacca vajjena bhaya upasamintu te etena sacca vajjena roga samintu te yani dabhutani samagatani bummani vayani vantalinke sabbeva bhuta sumana bhavantu atopi sankanca sunantu bhasitam tasmai bhutani samita sambe mentang karota manusiya pajaya divataranto chaharanti balin tasmai nirankata ampa yang kinci vintang idavahurang ma sangge suvayan රතනං පනීතං නනෝ සමන්නත්ති
තථාගතේන
ඉදම්පි බුද්දේ රතනං පනීතං ඒතේන සංචේන සුවන්ති තුකයං විරාගං අමතං පනීතං යදාජගා සංඛ්‍ය මුනි සමාහිතෝ නතේන ධම්මේන සමන්ති කිංචි ධම්පි ධම්මේ රතනං පනීතං ඒතේන සංචේන සුවන්ති හෝතු යම් බුද්ද සෙන්තෝ පරිවන්න සමාධිමානන්තරිකඤ්ඤමා වූ සමාධිනාතේන සමෝන විඤ්ජති ධම්පි රතනං පනීතං ඒතේන සංචේන සුවන්ති යේ පුංගලාන්ට සතම්ප සන්තා චන්තාරියේ තානි යුගානි යොන්ති තේ දංකිනෙය්‍යා සුගතංස සාවකායේතේ සුදින් මහම්පලානි දම්පි සංගේ රතනං පනීතං ඒතේන සච්චේන සුවන්ති හෝතු යේ සුම්පයුන්තා මනසා දල්ලේන නිංකාමිනෝ ගෝතම සාසනම් තේ පන්ති පන්තාම තන් විගය ලන්දා මුදා නිම්බුතින් බුංජමානායි දම්පි සංගේ රතනං පනීතං ඒතේන සංචේන සුවන්ති තුයතින්ද කීලෝ පටවිංසිතෝසියා චතුම්බිවාතේ බියසම්පකම්පියෝ තතුපමන් සම්පුරිසන් වදාමි යෝ අරිය සංචානි අවෙන්ච පංසති ධම්පි සංගේ රතනං ඒතේන සංචේන සුවන්ති හෝතු යේ අරිය සංචානි විභාවයන්ති ගම්බීර පඤ්ඤේන සුදේසිතානි කිංචාපිතේ ඔන්ති බුසම්ප නතේ බවං අන්තමං ආදියන්ති ධම්පි සංගේ රතනං පනීතං ඒතේන සුවන්ති හෝතු සහවස්ස දස්සන සම්පදාය තයසු ධම්මා ජයිතා භවන්ති සංකාය දින්ති විචිකින්චිතං ච සීලම්බ යදංජි කිංචි චතුපායේ ච විම්පමුන්තෝ චචාබිටානානි අබම්බෝකාතු ඉදම්පි සංගේ රතනං පනීතං ඒතේන සංචේන සුවන්ති හෝතු කිංචාපි සෝකම්මං කරෝති පාපකං කායේන වාචා උදචේතසාවා අබම්බෝ සෝතංස පටිච්චාදාය අබම්බතාදින්ට පදස්ස උන්තා ඉදම්පි සංගේ රතනං පනිතං ඒතේන සංචේන සුවන්ති තු අනප්පගුම්බේ යතාපුස්සිතංගේ ගිම්මාන පටමස්මින් ගිම්මේ තතුපමන් ධම්ම වරං අදේසයි නිම්බානගාමි පරමං ිතාය ඉදම්පි බුද්දේ රතනං පනිතං ඒතේන සංචේන සුවන්ති ඕතු වරෝ වරඤ්ඤෝ වරදෝ වරහරෝ අනුන්තරෝ ධම්ම වරං අදේසයි දම්පි බුද්දේ රතනං පනිතං ඒතේන සංචේන සුවන්ති තුකීනං පුරාණං නවන්නන්ති සම්භවන් විරාත චින්තා ආයතිකේ බවස්මින් තේකීන බීජා විරුල් හිච්ඡන්දානිම් බන්ති දීරායතයම් පදීපෝ ඉදම්පි සංගේ රතනං පනිතං ඒතේන සංචේන සුවන්ති තුයානිද භූතානි සමාගතානි බුම්මානි වායා නිව අන්තලින්කේ තථාගතං දේව මනුස්ස පූජිතං බුද්ධං නමස්සාම සුවත්තියෝතු යානිද භූතානි සමාගතානි බුම්මානි වායානිව අන්තලින්කේ තථාගතං දේව මනුස්ස පූජිතං ධම්මං නමස්සාම සුවන්ති හෝතු යානිද භූතානි සමාගතානි බුම්මානි වායානිව අන්තලින්කේ තථාගතං දේව මනුස්ස පූජිතං සංඝං නමස්සාම සුවත්ති හෝතු ඒතේන සච්ච වජ්ජේන දුක්ඛා උපසමින්තුතේ ඒතේන සච්ච වජ්ජේන භයා උපසමින්තුතේ ඒතේන සච්ච වජ්ජේන රෝගා උපසමින්තුතේ සම්බිතියෝ විවජ්ජන්තු සම්බ රෝගෝ විනස්සතෝ මාතේ භවත්වන්තරායු සුඛී දීඝායු භවතු සම්බ මංගලං රක්ඛන්තු සම්බ දේවතා සම්බ බුද්ධානුභාවේන සදා සොත්ති භවන්තු තේ භවතු සබ්බ මංගලං රක්ඛන්තු සම්බ දේවතා සම්බ ධම්මානුභාවේන සදා සොත්ති භවන්තු තේ භවතු සබ්බ මංගලං රක්ඛන්තු සබ්බ සංඝානුභාවේන සදා සොත්ති භවන්තු තේ ආකාසට්ටාච දේවානාගා මහිද්దికා පුඤ්ඤන්තං අනුමෝදිත්වා චිරන් රක්ඛන්තු ශාසනං ආකාසට්ටා සට්ඨාච බුම්මට්ඨා දේවානාගා මහිද්దికා පුඤ්ඤන්තං අනුමෝදිත්වා චිරන් රක්ඛන්තු දේශනං ආකාසට්ඨාච දේවානාගා මහිද්దికා පුඤ්ඤන්තං අනුමෝදිත්වා චිරන් රක්ඛන්තු ත්වං සදාති. May you be well, may you be happy, may you be peaceful. Thank you very much. Open your eyes. Thank you so much. Have a good night.